you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the little bee box for May. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the May 2025 Little Bee box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this month is in the rotation for the little girl, which is my friend's daughter, who is 2 years old. She's still really petite. So the clothing size we still have at an 18 months. And that's the great thing about this box. You tell them the size, and when your child moves up in stage, you just let them know, so then they bump them up as well. So every box is curated just for that child. They also have one-time boxes, the monthly box, all of that, which we will get into after we unbox it. But again, I just wanted to let you guys know, I do have my code as well, which is SheCrafty, to get you 30% off your first box if you're interested. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what this month brings. I'm super excited because we are dead in the summer here, and this box goes with the seasons and the time of year. So I'm really excited to see the outfit for this month. So it always comes in this box. I always tell you guys, you can use this to store stuff in them. They're really nicely constructed boxes. And then when you open it up, there is a sneak peek to the inside. Right on top, you will find their card, which will go over the monthly theme, which this month it says Little Bee Box May Edition, Bloom Where You're Planted. And then there's a special note there for the mom. And on this side, it will give you the pricing of the items inside of your box. And of course, the Little Bee box wouldn't be the Little Bee box without actual little bee tissue paper. It is so cute. I love that they're doing like the little bee. That is a really cute print. I can't wait to see what those are going to be. But yes, I love the tissue paper. Let's get this outfit out. It looks so cute, and this color is going to look adorable on her. Is this a dress? This is a dress. Look at how stinking cute. Okay, where's my little reference card? So it says baby girl dress 2-pack. So there's another one in here for $32.49. So then I'm gonna assume this is the one that goes with it. Oh my gosh, these are, yep, it says 2-pack. These are so cute. Look at how cute. And again, this is the perfect time. It is super hot here. So she definitely can be running around in these little dresses, and she is going to look super adorable. So here is the 2-pack dress. $32.49 for the value. You guys, there's another outfit in here. This one here is, oh my gosh, and I love the blues and the teals, and my friend, that's her favorite color as well. But oh, this is like a dress little whoop-whoop-de-woo. It has the little thing underneath. This one here says baby girl combo dress, valued at $28, and this is Carter's brand, again, 18 months, and yeah, it says $28. But look at how stinking cute that is. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see her in all 3 of these dresses, you guys. That is adorable. So there's 3 dresses in this box. Again, they're all going to be different, these boxes, based on who it's going to, the age, the time of year, all of that. Each box is its own mystery, but this is, oh my gosh, 3 dresses. That's awesome. Okay, so then next up we have is a little book, and I love when they put books in here. Plus she loves her reading time, her book time. So this is the Disney Frozen 2 Adventure to the North. And it says baby reading book, $4.98. And then without the plastic, this is what the book looks like. The front, the back. How stinking adorable. Again, $4.98 for the reading book. Oh, how cute. Next we have like all of these little accessories for their hair. Look at how cute. This is baby girl hair accessories, $11. So 2, 4, 6, there's 8 different clips. You can use 1, you can use 2, you can use more, but that is so cute. And they're all pink. That goes good with those 2 outfits, the 2-pack. Those are so cute. Yep, those are really, really cute. I think those are adorable. So there's a better image of them. That is so cute. And then the last thing in here is the gift for the mom. I love that they do that because it can be like anything and everything under the sun that could be included, but there's one free gift for the mom, so it's not just for the baby. There's a special gift for the mom, and it even says, bonus for mama, mom makes life beautiful notepad, free gift for you. And then it has the little sticker, free gift for you. But that is really pretty. I love those colors. Moms make life beautiful. And then there's that one too. So you have like this piece and this piece. That's so cool. So you have like a small and a large, and they're very, very beautiful colors. That is so pretty. So again, that's not a value that's added to the box. That's just a free item for the mom. So that is everything for this May 2025 box. Going over a quick recap, you have the gift for the mom with these accessories for their hair. There is a book, not just 1, not just 2, but 3 dresses. All right, you guys, so that is everything for this box. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items? What would be your favorite? What do you think of this box? What do you think of her in the dresses? Oh my gosh, definitely let me know down below. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. So for this one, there's 2 options. You can do the actual subscription, or you can do a one-time gift box. So if you want to go to the subscription, again, SheCrafty will get you 30% off your very first box. If you're interested, you will get 5 to 8 products picked by our passionate parents on our board to make every day fun and fulfilling for your baby, making every moment memorable and joyous. And then when you do sign up, they ask you several questions so they can figure out how to start tailoring the box. You tell them the gender, you tell them the size, you tell them the colors, that kind of thing. And then they take all of that into consideration and start building the box accordingly. So if you would like to do month per month, that's the gold term. It's $51.95 per box. If you would like to save some money, you can go to the silver plan, which is a 6-month prepaid plan, bringing your box price to $45.95. Or you can save even more going with the platinum 1-year annual term. That brings your box price down to $43 per box. And then they also do have the one-time gift box. So if you know somebody who's going to be having a baby, there's a birthday, you just want to surprise them, you can send a one-time box straight to them, or you can send it to yourself. This one includes free shipping to the US. And then if you're going to attend, you can bring it with you. If not, you can have it shipped straight to where it needs to go. That's awesome. So the one-time gift box is $65, free US shipping. Everything will be down below in the description box for you. If you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.